So solution means it's in a liquid, and water, so it's aqueous. Solution of barium chloride plus aluminium sulphate. So let's write down BaCl₂ plus aluminium sulphate. So Al₂SO4 thrice. Al₂SO4 thrice gives insoluble barium sulphate. So BaSO4 plus AlCl₃. Let's balance them.
Yes, sir.
Let's start with the biggest molecule. This is the biggest molecule. This is the easiest way. Always start with the biggest molecule. In this, if you see, sulfate group is 3. Okay, so on right side also it must be thrice. So just multiply with 3. Okay. Now aluminium is 2 and here it is not, so twice. Okay, 2 AlCl₃. When we did this, barium became 3 and chlorine became 2 3 just 6. So let's balance this side with multiplying with 3. So 3 barium, not barium, and 3 2 just 6. Now it's balanced. Okay, but one thing is missing.
Wait, what?
They said a solution of barium chloride, so it must be aqueous. And aluminium sulphate, so it also is aqueous. And insoluble barium sulphate, so this is solid. And solution of aluminium chloride, so this is aqueous. Aqueous means dissolved in water or solution in water, that's aqueous. And insoluble precipitate means this will be solid. Okay, it's so easy. If you practice, it will be like easier. Now the next one. Aluminium metal reacts with steam. So Al plus steam is H2O. It will be in the gaseous form to give aluminium oxide, Al₂O₃. So it gives Al₂O₃ plus hydrogen gas H2. Aluminium metal reacts. So this is solid. This should be solid, and this is gas. And H2O is like steam, so it will be in gaseous form. Gaseous. In the gas form. Something is missing. Balancing is missing. So start with the largest molecule, that's Al₂O₃. Now there is 2 aluminiums, so just take them twice. O3, oxygen is 3. Here it is just 1, so 3H2O. Now it will be 3H2 and balanced. Now it is balanced. Okay, as easy as this. Now let's do the next one, and that's super nice for practice. If you do, it will be good because this is somewhat difficult without practice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next question is this. So identify the type of reaction taking place. We have to identify the type of reaction and write balanced equation also. Okay, so zinc Zn plus reacts with silver nitrate. What is the formula of silver nitrate? AgNO3 gives zinc nitrate ZnNO3 twice plus Ag. Now here it is twice, so it must be twice. Okay, and then 2Ag. So it's done. Now this is what type of reaction? It's displacement reaction.
Oh.
Next one. Potassium iodide reacts with potassium iodide, so Ki reacts with lead nitrate, so PbNO3 twice. Remember this, these guys will be NO3 twice. Gives to produce potassium nitrate KNO3 plus lead iodide PbI2. Now let's balance it. So start with the largest, that this one, and nitrate is twice, so multiply with 2, and then potassium is twice, so multiply with 2. I is twice, so balanced. That's it. Easy peasy. Still, if you have doubt, you can ask me in the comment. You can tell what video topic you want the next video on. Bharat Mata ki jai. Go beyond plus ultra.
Wow.
By the way, friends, if you forget to subscribe B.E.S.T Classes channel, then you can search on YouTube at B.E.S.T Classes.Pandey. Till the next time, Bharat Mata ki jai and best of study. And don't forget the glorious phrase of Pandey. Push past your limits.